Hi everybody, it's Fun Friday Drawing. Today we have a request from Mr. Johnson's class. We are going to draw a troll. In particular, we're going to draw Poppy Troll. I know that there's a student in his class that's really fond of this character. So let's begin. We're going to start with our paper in portrait format. That's going to be taller than it is wide. When you're normally writing on paper, that's portrait format. You're going to need a pencil, an eraser. I'm going to put my eraser on Happy Snoopy because that's where I'm at. I'm going to use the trusty rusty Sharpie so you can see it a little bit better. And we're going to begin a Poppy Troll. We're going to start near the middle of our paper and we're going to draw a nice curved line. Almost like a bowl. The bottom part of a football, something sort of like that. We're going to look at that curved line we drew. We're going to go up a little bit. We're going to draw two little circles. So now it kind of looks like a big smiley face, but we're going to change it in just a moment. At the top of these two circles, we're going to make the line a little bit darker on both of these circles, and then off to the side, a couple of eyelashes. Inside of these circles, we're going to draw two smaller circles, and then we're just going to color it in a little bit so there's just a little white dot. And you can see that. And those are Poppy's eyes for our drawing. Beneath her eyes, we're going to draw her nose. This is going to be an organic line. An organic line is a line that has a lot of curved shapes, no angles or points. And it's just going to be round, sort of like, it almost looks like a peanut shape. We're going to start here in the middle. We're going to draw curve up, then go down on both sides, and the top is going to look a lot like the bottom, kind of like a weird peanut. Underneath her nose, we're going to draw a very slightly curved line. Underneath that slightly curved line, a more pronounced curved line for a smile. And in this smile, we're going to draw some round teeth. Her teeth look almost like half circles. So we'll draw a wavy line all the way across. And on the bottom, same thing, but fewer. So she has some teeth there. On either side of that mouth, we're going to draw a circle for her cheeks. Now, here are her eyes. Above her eyes in this area up here, we're going to draw three flowers. And we're going to draw the flowers by drawing another organic style line. And we're just going to draw a bunch of flowers. It's a bunch of curved lines together. I'm going to do one here for you again. You draw a loop. And just keep doing that all the way around. So it's a wavy line loop that loops all the way around. I'm going to draw one over here too. So three flowers on her bow. They almost look like popcorn. And what we're going to do is through the flowers, we're going to draw a pair of lines that connect them. This is her headband. And under this headband, she's going to have hair that comes to the side. I'm just going to have hair that comes to this side. I'm going to finish the headband. It's just going to go straight up. And above her headband, we're going to draw a couple of curved lines for the top of her hair. So I drew a curved line here, and a curved line here. And then right above here, we're going to just draw a little straight line, straight line, straight line. And then above that, we're going to have a big ponytail. We do a curved line, and zigzag. Zigzag all the way across. We're going to draw an ear over here, curved line. Over here, the same thing, an ear. And inside of the ear, we're going to draw a squiggly line. Just a squiggly line. On this ear, it's going to look more like an S. The last thing we have is a couple of eyebrows. Those are just curved lines. The eyebrow on this side is hidden by the hair, so we'll just have the one. And that's Poppy's head. Pause for a moment. I'm assuming that Mr. Johnson or Mr. Jacobs is pausing as needed, but I'm going to take a moment here just to let you catch your breath. Now, under the mouth here, we're going to do a shoulder line and a shoulder line. Then we're going to draw a straight line down. Then a diagonal line with a little curve at the end. We're going to come back up here. Curved line down. Oh, curved line then goes into a straight line. My apologies. Then we're going to see where this line is. We're going to back up just a touch and curve it. There's a little curve right here. We're going to diagonal down. Curved line for her other elbow. And connect those two lines. And then draw a line that comes down. Her two arms are crossing right here. We're going to meet right around the middle and just draw a diagonal line to her chin. Come to the opposite side of her chin, diagonal line, until you meet there. Now we're going to draw her skirt. Curved line, and then we're going to come across with a slightly curved line. Along the bottom of the skirt, we're going to draw a semicircle, 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 and then just a couple of flower petals. I like to draw them sort of like teardrops or sunflower seeds. And draw that shape all the way around. That's a pattern on her skirt. For the leg, we're going to come down slightly curved, just a little hint of a curve. Little diagonal, and then 4 round toes. We're going to start with a small round line, then just get progressively bigger with a wavy line. So 1 small toe, slightly bigger, slightly bigger, and the fourth toe will be the biggest. Diagonal line, we're going to go straight line up. This leg, we're going to do a diagonal line. Then we're going to come down to where that curved line starts to go straight. And we're going to go straight across. Curved line for a toe. Curved line, curved line, curved line, connect. And because I don't like characters just floating in space, we're going to draw a zigzag behind her for the grass because she's little. Zigzag line, and then a little bit of a straight line on both toes, and that is our Poppy Troll. I hope that you enjoyed it, and keep those suggestions coming. I love being able to draw things that people want to draw and are going to enjoy. So I love the suggestion, Amy, and I hope that you enjoyed it. We'll see you next week on Fun Friday Drawing.